Welcome back to our series all about creating an influencer media kit with Wix. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a downloadable or printable media kit to give brands an easy way to download it, ensuring potential sponsors have all your information in one place. So, here's how to do it. Before uploading, make sure your media kit is finalized as a PDF. This format is universal, looks professional, and is easy for brands to save or print. You can create a stunning one with Canva. It's free. Just make sure that you download it as PDF. Now, on the Wix editor, go to Media on the left. Select Upload Media. Click Upload from Computer. Then select your Media Kit PDF from your computer. Once uploaded, Wix will store it under Site Files, ready to link anywhere on your site. Now you can close this window for now. So the next thing you want to do is go to the section of your site where you want your brands to access your media kit. And once you're there, go to the plus button on the left, select Button, and choose any buttons here that you'd like to use. Don't worry, you can edit the style or the design later on. Drag and drop your chosen button onto your section. Now, click on your button and click on Settings. And over here, you can change the text that your button says. You can say something like Download Media Kit PDF. Now let's choose where it links to. Click here and make sure to select Document. Select Choose File and select the file that we uploaded earlier. Click on Add to Page. And then click on Done. By the way, if you would like to customize your button's design, click on it and click on Design. Here, you can change your button to different shapes. And if you'd like to customize it further, you can click on Customize Design and change its background fills, text color, borders, corners, shadows, layout, and icon. Anyway, once you're done, you can now click on Save to save your changes. And that's it. You've now added a downloadable and printable version of your influencer media kit to your site. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next step. See you in the next video, and thanks so much for watching.